everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Tejaswita, and if you are ready to restart your career and reignite your confidence in just 30 days, you are at the right place because I'm going to share 30 days plan, one step by step, which will help you not only to boost your confidence but as well as stand out amongst the crowd and restart your career fully. I know restarting the career it's not easy because we are having a lot of self doubt, lot of responsibilities, low confidence and many more things, and due to that thinking only we feel overwhelming. Lot of things ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें माइंड में चल रही है but now from where to start. But don't worry, in this video, as I said, I'm going to give a 30 days plan which will take you step by step. By following this, not only you will enter into the workforce but same time I'm very confident you will boost your confidence because first important step is to boosting your confidence. आपको ये समझना है कि जॉब तो मार्केट में बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाएगा बट टू स्टैंड आउट माइंडसेट पे काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है एंड फॉर दैट you have a self confidence, and to bring that self confidence on the track I'm going to share one easy roadmap for the 30 days. Stay with me for the next 15 minutes in this video. I'm very sure some valuable insight you're going to get it. I always think like finding a job is not the last goal or the motto for anyone, whether it is a woman or man. But when it comes to women, I personally feel like we are surrounded with a lot of activities. It is very important we need to find the purpose. Why we wanted to do the job or why we wanted to become an entrepreneurship. Because as I previously also mentioned, there are a lot of ladies after their career break, they could not able to enter but they start thinking about why they can start business also, they can become an entrepreneur. So purpose is very much important, why you want to start your job or an entrepreneurship, then your essential skills, then your personal development also. So I personally feel like only finding a job should not be your purpose, but sunshining in front of the world, that should be your main motto. Money is a byproduct, but if you will work on yourself, if you will sunshine nicely in the front of the audience and in the world, and you are getting a self satisfaction, that is complete the fulfillment. So let's understand more deeper step by step what we are supposed to do. Let's break down into the actionable steps by step. So first is the important thing, resetting your mindset. Yes, you must be having a water purifier at home. Why we drink water which is purified? Because it is healthy, right? So same way it is very important to purify your mindset also. It has to be reset. So how you can reset your mindset? Whatever negative thoughts you are having, convert those into your affirmations. Be gratitude, show gratitude. Whichever person has come in your life is helping you, or end of the day, say thanks to those people. Right? The as I said, affirmations is very important. Build some confidence by talking to some people, with positive people. So what will happen? Your mindset will start resetting, and that not only help you to understand who are you, at the same time it will boost the confidence also, because self confidence is very important, and that's only happen when you set your mindset, resetting your mindset. So the first what I talk about mindset reset, that is the first 3 days activity. Now the second point is like a career clarity. Now career clarity, it is like another 3 days, next 3 days, 4 to 6 days activity, day 4 to day 6. What you're supposed to do, you need to find out like which type of job opportunity you're looking. If you're changing the industry, write down which industry you wanted to enter, which are the skill set you are having, whether you wanted to do the full-time job or part-time job or freelancing work, or you wanted to work remotely. All these things has to be clear and has to be on the paper. When you are writing on the paper, that means you are removing one thought and writing on the paper, and it's getting clear in your mind. If it is you're still not sure, you can do the brainstorming in this 3 days. What exactly, whatever industry you're having, understand which strength you're having, and those strengths are aligned or not, which job you wanted to apply. If those are not available, you can always take up a new courses and align your strength with the new job opportunity which you are looking. So the second important point is a career clarity, what you are looking, and that is 4 to day 6 activity. Third point is the skill enhancement. Yes. So that is a next 3 days activity, like a 7th, 8th, 9th, or 10th. Like you can consider 4 days activity. Now, what you need to do, as I mentioned, like once you decide your industry or the job role you wanted to enter in the market, find out which are the skill sets are required. If those skill sets are lacking, then there are a lot of programs, workshops, or a LinkedIn which is available, and they can give you those particular programs, and you can enhance your skill. As I always mention, upscaling your skills are very important, because we have to whole life we have to be a learner. You cannot say like I don't want to learn. So be learner, be learn new things, because those only going to help you to find a new opportunity. So skill enhancement is very important. That is the next task which you need to figure it out, which skill sets are good and where you are lacking, and accordingly you can conduct some programs for yourself. Fourth important point is the personal branding. Now you have done the skill enhancement. Now you know like which skills you're having. Now let's jump on the personal branding. And personal branding for the one platform is the best, that is the LinkedIn. You need to showcase the whole world what you are and how you're what type of job role you're looking. So update the professional photograph. Don't put the hanky panky pictures which doesn't look like a professional. Update your achievements, update your bio, update each and every section of the LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is one of the platform where a lot of things are minute things but plays very important role. For example, recommendation, like if you have worked previously and your previous manager has recommended you, that shows like that person has given you the testimonial, and that helps the employer also to read out like okay, this person is has recommended means, and the after reading the recommendation also, person come to know what skill set and you are in which area good. So personal branding is more important, and that you have to start with the updating your LinkedIn profile. Personal branding activity will go for the 3 days, like 11, 12, and 13. Okay. Now let's talk about the next 2 days, that is on 14th and 15th. You have to work on your resume and the cover letter. So I have created many videos like how to craft your resume, and how important to have a cover letter, and that also should be the tailor made. Resume also should tailor made, because एक resume आप दुनिया को नहीं भेज सकते, हर position को नहीं भेज सकते. That doesn't give the good impression, because every job description is looking for the new set of skills, different कुछ चाहते हैं. So don't forget to prepare your resume into the functional way. Mention about your transferable skills, and importantly, when you have taken a break, what you have learned, where you have invested time, and what type of different activities you have done, and how you develop your skills, new skills. Don't forget to mention that. But as I mentioned in my previous video also, you need to create a separate section for the achievements and the skills, and don't write anything into the objective summary about your career break. That always should go into your uh, history, like wherever you have worked previously, in that section it will come. So that is a small tips. So don't forget to watch my video, especially I have created on this. The next point is the networking, which is my favorite part. Networking goes for the next 3 days, 16, 17, 18. These 3 days you have to do it. So why networking? Because networking only is the way where you can go in the market and you can showcase and you can inform indirectly like you are currently interested, you are interested to find a job opportunity in the market. So connect with your old colleagues, connect with your old friends, whether it is a school, college. As I mentioned, update your LinkedIn and mention you're open to work there also. And so many things connecting part. You can attend the workshop, you can attend the virtual meetings, or you can go in person meetings. Some events are happening, particularly those industry related. You can go and you can speak with the experts, and then you can understand what are the trends are going on, because that is also very important. If the skill set which you are having, and there are new skill set right now, that particular job is demanding, so you get to know about that, and same time you're connecting with that person, add that person later on the LinkedIn connection, and they say hi, hello, keep giving a good vibes. Because many times what happen when we are connecting, we always expect like that other person should help me, but why can't the other way? When you're connecting with someone, why can't you think in that way, how I can help this person? So universe also knowing like when you give something in the return, universe has to give you back. So when you're helping someone, definitely in return you will also get some kind of a good connection. That connection possibly will help you to find a good job opportunity in the market. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द जॉब सर्च स्ट्रैटेजी. यस, आपने रेज्यूमे बना दिया, कवर लेटर बना दिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट 3 days 19, 20, 21 you need to work on the job search strategy. Now आपको करना क्या है? There are a lot of portals are available. First you need to find out for particular that industry in which you are applying, कौन सा पोर्टल काम करता है. There are number of portals. मैंने देखा है whether it is India, whether it is any other country, Dubai, UAE, there are local portals also, there are international portals also, but you need to find out, you need to do the research कौन सा पोर्टल काम करेगा. Now update your resume properly, see what type of job openings are available, see the pattern, is it a same pattern like the same keywords are there or any different keywords, and those keywords has to be incorporated in your resume. Because जब recruiter or any HR person is searching your any profile, those keywords while searching, those keywords should get highlighted in your resume. So job search strategy is not only like updating your profile, but same time you have to see the pattern like how the job description has written, what are the keywords they have emphasizes written in the job description JD, and those keywords has to be in your resume. So remember, it's not only uploading the resume, but thinking like what exactly the client is also looking. So the next point is the interview preparation, that will again go for 3 days 22, 23, 24. Now interview preparation, you have to understand which are the common questions are asked by employer. So उसका practice होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. There is a way how you can answer the questions, and if it is a problem solving, you can always use the STAR method, which I have already explained in the previous video. Go through that and showcase like this break which you have taken. It's what have you learned in that. Showcase like a certain essential skills which you were lacking. Now you have understood how it is important and how you develop those and how day-to-day basis you're using also. So don't forget to showcase confidently what skill set you have learned during the break and how it is helping you. Now next important point is like a work-life balance. Yes, now you are all set, ready to go in the market to look for an opportunity, everything, but what about your family? So it's very important to convey the family like what is your goal, why you are looking, why you want to restart your career, and how you are going to handle all the responsibility. So whether it is a cooking part or whether it is going to take care of your kids, find out the daycare, find out like a cook, or if you are willing to give a time. So balance your time. Don't involve your family time into the work time. Otherwise, it will be overwhelming for you. So work life balance is very important, and that only will happen when you will openly discuss your plan with the family, because family is always a big support for everyone. And the last point, launch your comeback with the full force. And that is the last 3 days activity, 28, 29, 29. So go for the interview. Don't forget to negotiate on the salary. Your confidence plays very important role in this. So if you're having a doubt or anything, openly ask question to employer, and don't afraid like how employer will think about your career gap. As I mentioned, most of the employers are knowing some other way in somebody's life career gap comes, but how confidently you are talking about your career gap and what basically you have learned. And don't underestimate yourself into the interview, especially on the salary part. If you feel that's worth it, negotiate with the employer. And here you go. Here are the 10 easy steps to restart your career only in the 10 days. What you need, your determination and your skills, and the everything whatever I mentioned, everything plan wise you have to organize. Only one thing which is missing, your action. If you are determined to take the action and follow the strategy, success is at your door. So if you're liking such kind of videos, don't forget to hit the button that is a like one, subscribe, and you can always share this video who are looking such kind of a tips, share with them. And if you wanted to know more about how you can restart your career, I am coming up with the webinar which will happen in the January. Don't forget to register for webinar. I'll see you there, and I'm very sure like a comeback, it's not the very easy, but you have to make it exciting. So it is a very easy. Don't forget, like we have a lot of power being as a woman, and we can make a lot of changes also. So stay tuned, stay healthy, and see you soon.